Kia ora tamariki mā. I'm really excited to present the next certificates. These are for our wonderful Year 7 and 8 students that participated in the Kiwi Maths and English competitions, and everyone did really, really well. So I'm going to shout out our wonderful participants. So we have Dennis, Javaz, Maria, Lily, Renoff. They participated in the maths. For our English competitions we have Jessica. These certificates are on such fancy paper. Taina, Gemini, Tiana, Rico, Ariane, Crystal and Dennis. So we will arrange to get these very fancy certificates to you. We also have some special shout outs. So these students, not only did they participate, but they also were recognised at achieving at the achieved level. So they did really well. So for maths we have Theodora, Crystal, Rico and Casey. Well done. For English they received an achieved level. That was for Kyani Lee, Maria, Emily, and a special extra shout out. Not only did they reach the participation level and the achieved level, but they also received a special merit, which is an even higher category, and that is to Theodora. Well done to Theodora, and well done to all of our tamariki that participated. They were really hard exams and you did so well, and we're really, really proud of you. Well done everyone. Well done for everyone that was a challenge taker and participated in those competitions. We're really, really proud of you. We will arrange to get your certificates and your reports to either yourselves when you come on site, or we will send them home for your whānau to enjoy. Thanks everyone. Hello for everyone. I'm really excited that today I get to present the certificates for our Outstanding Learners of the Week. It's been amazing seeing the learning that's been happening both on site this week and at home. Hopefully next week we will see more of you on site where we can continue our learning together. Our certificate recipients this week are Gloria Silla, Sargandeep Kaur, Aisha Prasad, Ibrahim Akata, Tirahui Maturata, Shreya Mooney, Hashna Pahima, Sahara Tradea, Joel Nakubi, Rashi Gaunda, Dylan Napira, Gabani Kaur, Marilyn Samuelu, Darius Koru, Cairo Henry, Anne Marie Totua, Nita Johnstone, Atahua Rapana. Congratulations everyone.
Welcome back. Your dreams were your ticket out. Welcome back to that same old place that you laughed about. Well, the names have all changed since you hung around, but those dreams have remained and they've turned around. Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Back here where we need ya. Back here where we need ya. Yeah, we tease him a lot, cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back.
I know you like that. How long you been back, man?
Welcome, welcome, welcome.
You like that. You know 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 you like that.
Good afternoon and kia ora everyone. So day 2, being back at school. We had a fantastic day yesterday and so great to see so many children coming along, and I think that everyone really enjoyed themselves. Great to see the big smiles underneath the masks for the senior students and people in their full school uniform. So we really had a good day, and today's been equally as good with a few more people back at school, so it was really good to see. Monday, we're looking forward to seeing a different group of people back with us. So just a reminder, the weather's been fabulous, so please make sure if you've got your sun hat and it still fits your head, even though your brains have grown over the year, please bring that along and make sure you wear that when you're outside. Remember to bring, if you've got one, a water bottle, otherwise there's something that you can drink out of in the classroom, because the drinking fountains need to be closed just to keep us all safe. And also those school devices, they stay at home. We'll let you know when we need you to bring those back to school, but at the moment they just stay at home, and we just want to see your smiling face looking forward to coming into school. As I said, we've had a great day today and yesterday, and we look forward to seeing our A to M last name people on Monday. Ka kite.
This is our school, creating our dreams, making them true for us. Yeah, this is our life, learning the choices, knowing it's right for us. We stand with pride, that's who we are. On our way to sing the song that's in our name, we say we are RDA, we are Randwick, standing tall as we grow and learn together. And when we leave from here into the world without fear, deep down inside my heart begins to heal. We are RDS, we are Randwick.